we divide 249 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we put down this 9 and it is 49. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 249 divided by 5 is 49.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.